Hello, beautiful people. Here I am again from Tirol. See this beautiful nature in my background. How blessed we are in a world full of beauty around us. You know that nature is a true inspiration. Try to spend as much time as possible in the nature. Tell me, do you like to spend time in the nature? Do you go for walks or jogging or doing some other kind of sports? What do you do in the nature? Do you try to spend every day in the nature? There does not have to be snow around, right? But with snow, it's especially beautiful. Whee! Oh, enjoy wherever you are. Enjoy the nature around you. Be conscious about the nature around you. Even if it's raining, there is beauty. Without rain, it's hard for the nature to sustain, right? Even if it's cold or even it's hot, it does not have to be for a long time. But go out and enjoy. I look forward to your comments.